The KTM RC 200 is a machine that blends aggressive styling with a thrilling riding experience. Whether you're a beginner looking for a fast and stylish sport bike or an experienced rider wanting a lightweight track weapon, the RC 200 delivers in every aspect. In this video, we will explore the design, performance, features, and overall experience of riding this sharp and dynamic machine. Design and styling. The RC 200 boasts a race-inspired design with sharp bodywork, aerodynamic fairings, and an aggressive stance. The dual LED headlights, sporty graphics, and sleek tail section give it an unmistakable KTM DNA. The trellis frame is exposed slightly, adding to its premium feel while ensuring rigidity and stability. The new generation model has refined ergonomics, making it more comfortable for both city rides and spirited track sessions. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RC 200 lies a 199.5 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces 25.4 HP and 19.5 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, delivering smooth yet aggressive acceleration. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, the bike offers excellent power-to-weight ratio, making it an exciting ride on highways and twisty roads. The fuel injection system ensures a crisp throttle response, while the liquid cooling keeps the engine temperature in check even during extended rides. Handling and ride quality. KTM is known for its precision handling, and the RC 200 is no exception. The bike features a WP Apex upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock, providing exceptional stability and control. The updated suspension setup offers a more balanced ride, absorbing bumps effectively while maintaining sharp cornering abilities. The clip-on handlebars and revised seat design offer a sportier riding posture without being too aggressive for daily commutes. Braking and safety features. Braking performance is handled by bi-brake disc brakes at both ends, with a 320mm front disc and a 230mm rear disc. The dual-channel ABS ensures confident braking even in slippery conditions, preventing wheel lockup and improving overall safety. The new model also features a wider front disc for improved stopping power, making it one of the safest bikes in its segment. Features and technology. The KTM RC 200 comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information like speed, fuel level, gear position, and more. The updated switchgear, along with a larger 13.7L fuel tank, enhances the bike's practicality. The LED lighting setup, including DRLs and taillights, not only improves visibility but also adds to the premium appeal. Riding experience and verdict. The KTM RC 200 is a bike that thrives on excitement. Whether you're navigating city traffic, hitting the highways, or exploring track days, the bike offers an engaging and responsive ride. While the aggressive riding posture may not suit everyone, it's a perfect choice.